Get into the 2019 GMC Canyon. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-built Canyon that's right-sized to fit perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Its quiet, well-equipped cabin offers the space, connectivity, and storage you want, while its impressive cargo bed and towing ability give you the utility you need. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Modern comfort blends with impressive capability in this can-do Canyon. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.